So anytime I plan a trip like this, I always pay really close attention to the water conditions. Lake Erie, it's subject to get real muddy, and if it's too muddy, you're just not going to catch any fish. So having the ability to be flexible in your trip is important. But when we start talking about late fall into early winter, you need to pay attention to your travel conditions as well. And by that, I'm talking about not wanting to tow your prized possession of a boat through nasty road slop and salt. So in this situation, we started in Wisconsin and we travel out to Huron, Ohio on Lake Erie. And so what I do when I'm planning a trip like that is I'll start paying attention to the forecast in not only where we're starting and where we're ending, but all points in between. In this trip, we travel through a nasty section that is prone to get real bad lake effect snow. So you can see it's flying right now. And so I always double check to make sure that not only the conditions are good where I'm going, but my travel conditions are going to be favorable as well. Pay attention to those things and you're going to have a much better trip.